Hi everybody, Carissa back again with our DIY craft kits. This week we are going to be making homemade soap. So I'm just going to go over what you're going to find in your kit and as well what you're going to need at home. So first in your kit you are going to find a bag of soap melt. You're going to find a soap mold. I'm using a silicone one today, but in your kits there will be a plastic one. Some honey, a paper cup and a stir stick, fragrance oil, as well as soap colorant. So what you're gonna need at home is a glass bowl for you to melt your soap in, as well as your microwave, obviously. All right, let's get started. So step one is going to be to take your soap melt and put it in your glass bowl or jar, whatever works for you, and stick it in the microwave. So what you're gonna do is start with 30 to 40 seconds at the beginning, and then for 10-second increments after until all of your soap has been melted in your bowl. All right, so once you have melted your soap in the microwave, your second step is going to be to take that mixture from your glass bowl and transfer it into your paper cup. So the third step that you're going to do is you're going to take some of your honey and pour some into your soap mixture. You don't have to put a lot in. This is just so that it is a little bit smoother to use as soap. And then you just mix it up into the soap melt until it's all dissolved. All right, so step number 4, once your honey is all mixed in there, you're going to take your fragrance oil and add a few drops in there. Now you can put in as much, as little as you want. It doesn't matter. Whatever kind of smell that you want, you can go ahead. And also just a reminder that if the soap melt does start to get hard, you can put it back in the microwave to kind of soften it up again. All right, step 5 is where we add the colorant in. So today I'm going to just make one that is all purple. I'm not gonna try and mix colors, but I'm gonna just put in a little bit so that we get kind of this light purple. So you can put in as much, as little as you want, and then mix in the powder until it's all dissolved. All right, so now once we've got the color mixed in, one of the final steps is to now pour your melt into the soap mold. So as much soap as you melted should fill one of the molds up. If you have a little left over or don't have enough, that's okay, it'll still come out. So once you have poured all of your mixture into your mold, what you're gonna do is let it sit for at least 12 hours before you try and remove it. And just like that, you have homemade soap. So yeah, remember that you gotta wait for it to dry before you pull it out of the mold, and we cannot wait to see what you've made. Please send us a photo of what you've made with your creation so that we can highlight how talented you guys all are. All right, thank you so much for joining us this week. Stay tuned for next week with our new DIY craft.